If you need to request a refund from PayPal for a transaction, follow these simple steps to ensure you complete the process smoothly. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Access your PayPal account by visiting the PayPal website or opening the app. Enter your email and password to log in. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Once logged in, navigate to the Activity section. Here, you can view your recent transactions. Find the specific payment for which you want a refund. Step 3. Initiate the refund process. Click on the transaction to open its details. Look for the option that says refund this payment or report a problem. Click on it to begin the refund request. Step 4. Provide necessary information. Follow the prompts to provide any required information regarding the refund. This may include the reason for the refund and any additional details that support your request. Step 5. Submit your request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. In conclusion, requesting a refund through PayPal is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your refund status.